how to create trending TikTok transitions using CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to create trending TikTok transitions using CapCut. First, import your clips and arrange them in the timeline. Split the video into sections where you want to add transitions. Tap on the transition button between clips and use the search function to find popular TikTok transitions like swipe or spin. Adjust the duration to match the beat of your background music. Add some text overlays or stickers to make your video stand out. Once you're happy with your edits, tap on the export button in the top right corner. Select your desired resolution and frame rate, then tap export again to save your video to your device. And that's how you create trending TikTok transitions in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.